Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you the new launch of fragrances that just got released recently here from Louis Vuitton, and I'm super excited because I love fragrances, and of course I love Louis Vuitton. They always do such an amazing job with their fragrances. I picked up all 3 samples as I was visiting the Louis Vuitton store. I wanted to sample them out and try them and see how they work and what I feel about them. So if you want to hear my first impressions and what I feel about them, then keep watching. Also, here on this channel I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, so if you like any of those things or all of those things, smash that subscribe button. If you want to make sure that you never miss a video, go ahead and hit the bell. It will notify you every single time a video is put out on this channel. Let's get started. Okay, so here it is, little box here, you guys. The first one I'm going to be telling you about, I got my notes in front of me so I'm not looking away from you. Let's start with Sun Song. I think I'm saying that right. Sun Song. It's a beautiful fragrance. The bottle is beautiful, you guys. When I walked into the store, I'm like, oh my god, there was these 3 big like square boxes. I walked in the store and it was just like eye-grabbing, and I'm like, oh my god, this is beautiful. I already knew that they had come out with the fragrance, with new fragrances, but I hadn't gone into the store for that particular reason. So as soon as I walked in, I seen them. They were right there. They were gorgeous. The colors were beautiful. They had a green one, and then a blue one, and then a yellow one. The packaging on these fragrances are so beautiful. I do believe that this is seasonal packaging, though. I believe if Louis Vuitton is going to keep these fragrances and add them to the rest of theirs, it will go back to the standard white packaging, which is also beautiful. But if you wanted something from the seasonal collection, I would say purchase them now. So moving on into the fragrances, these are the standard bottle sizes, you guys. 100 ml. They do retail for $250. They can be refilled, so I think that this might be a great addition for Mother's Day. Those of you that are still looking for some new fragrances to try, something, you know, there's a little bit of everything here, so let me get to that. But just to give you some upfront, just in case, so you have the facts while you're, you know, pondering on what I'm telling about. If you would want this, Mother's Day is coming up. Like I said, they retail for $250. It's 100 ml. They can be refilled just like the other ones. They are refillable. They do have the little cases that you can take for traveling if you want to do that too. So it's a super cool and neat experience. And also another thing that's really cool is that you can have the bottle engraved, so you can get it to say Happy Mother's Day or your name, or you can get it to say hello. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here is Sun Song. This one reminded me more of summer. Oh my god, I'm already sweating. I am so hot. I need a fan. It's gonna get hot this summer. I've got this sweater on. I'm trying to give you a look, but it is hot. So Sun Song is the first one that we're talking about, and when I initially sprayed it, of course it's yellow, it's Sun Song. It reminds you of summer, but it reminds you of fresh, clean summer. Okay, I'm gonna try and create the vibe for you guys, because this is how it is. This is what I smell. Of course, it's a very bright, airy summer fragrance. Some of the notes that this fragrance has in it is orange blossom. You can definitely smell the lemon, definitely smell bergamot, neroli, jasmine, and musk. So you know all those are just about my favorite. So I fell in love with it instantly. I was like, oh my god, yes, I do like that. That smells good. I would see this in the daytime. I would see this wearing to brunch. I would see this wearing out with friends, with colleagues. It's not overpowering. It's not too loud. It's very fresh. It's very clean, but it's still sweet a little bit. It's very bright. So if I were to paint a picture and tell you a story about this particular fragrance, I would tell you, picture yourself. You guys, I don't know what's up with me and the beach. I guess that's just where I want to be. Picture yourself somewhere tropical. I do get tropical vibes, beach vibes, summer vibes, vacation vibes. All those kind of vibes come with this fragrance. Even going somewhere like Hawaii. Oh, the other one is very Hawaii too. Picture going somewhere like Hawaii, somewhere where the sun's out, the Bahamas, Jamaica, somewhere like that. Think of that and spraying this on right before the sun sets. You know, I would say right before the sun sets, I would spray this. And then you could spray it first, you know, about, think of 1 or 2 o'clock where the sun is very, very bright and it's getting ready to set, but not really. It's still very bright. That's where I smell this one at. The only thing that I cannot provide you with today is longevity, and be completely 100% honest, and performance and projection, because this is my first impression. I did smell it there and I did like this one, and this one was really good. However, I was doing perfumes that day, so I was spraying a ton of perfumes. I won't say that this one stood out. I did spray a couple of other ones and I'll have those videos coming soon. So this did not stand out, but initially it smells really, really good. So I would definitely say if you like fresh, clean, bright, airy, definitely check out Sun Song. So that is our first one. All right, moving on into the second one. This is Cactus Garden, and this was inspired by Palm Springs. When I was in, the client advisor was explaining to me that this one gets its particular inspiration from Palm Springs. These are all like all California inspired, if you ask me. This one is green, the color on it. How neat is that? It's a beautiful green color. This, I would have to say, was my least favorite, you guys. I don't know, it's just not me. It's good, I will say that. Let's spray it over here. Yeah, I get lemongrass, I get fresh, clean, very earthy wood. There's some bergamot in here. It's good though. It is good. I shouldn't say it's my least favorite. Sure, you shouldn't say that yet. No, let me wear it a little bit, okay? Let me retract that statement. It's good. It's just different, you know what I mean? So this would be like out, just what it says. If you know anything about Palm Springs, it's very Palm Springs. It's, you know, just relaxed, chill vibes, just sit out by the pool, sunset, chill, you know, flip-flops, you know, beach hat. It's that kind of vibe. It's not like double take. It's not sexy. I don't get, let's take a date. I don't get, I want your phone number. Like, are you married? Yes. Hello. No, I don't get any of that. This is called Cactus Garden. I'm gonna retract that statement. Get your attention to Cactus Garden. Shrey, would you say Cactus Garden over Sun Song? I think I am. Now my favorite one, I'm gonna share that one up with you next. My absolute favorite here was, it's called Afternoon Swim. And immediately when I sprayed this, you guys, I tell you this all the time, this is how I choose a fragrance. This is how I buy a fragrance. I am a lot of things. No, I am a very, oh my God. I am a very storyteller type of person. I'm a very memory oriented person. I'm a very moment person. I am a very, how did you make me feel? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I never go off of what someone said to me. I generally typically go off of how they made me feel. And so when I spray a fragrance, it's no difference. Immediately when I spray it, how did it make me feel? Did it make me happy? Where did it take me to? I already told you several times I am a hopeful, hopeless, romantic type person. Rom-coms, all the nine, you know, Pretty Woman, Sex and the City, all of them, okay? I'm that girl. Oh my God, yes, I'm her. Okay, so I love love. And immediately when I sprayed this, within 2 seconds of me spraying it, I had already placed myself, my husband, we were on a date. It was like down by the beach, PCH, down by Malibu. It was sexy. I had on a shirt maybe with some shimmer. You guys, I can't wait for spring to really show up. I had maybe some shimmer on my chest, my shoulder out. My hair was maybe pulled up or tied into a side ponytail, you know, up in a ball, and I had dangling earrings on, perhaps my Chanel ones. I had that on, and we were going for a nice meal, but nothing heavy like a steak. That's too heavy. We were I don't even eat seafood. He would probably be eating seafood. I would probably be having a salad. Okay, I'll have a nice chopped salad, something like that. This is more, if you're a wine drinker, this is more of a white wine, I would say. These are all my personal opinions, you guys. This is a story that I got from this when I initially sprayed it. I went there in 2.5 seconds just with spraying this and doing this. I had said, oh, so it took me somewhere. And that's what I like for a fragrance to do. Move me, take me, travel me from where I'm at and take me to another place. That's why I wear fragrance, to go someplace, to feel something, the arts behind it. Like, what is it giving me? What is the vibe? Where am I going? This is what this fragrance gave me. Okay, girl, can you spray it? Like I said, it's called Afternoon Swim. And wait till you see the color of this one. That's what I thought was so neat. Look at this. It's blue. How cute is that? Same thing, retails for $2.50, 1 ml, and it can be an engraved. Okay, so now do I have anywhere else to spray it? Let's spray it right here. Oh, spray enough so that we feel. I was doing the cards, you guys, and I'll do those initially, but I wanted to put these on the, oh my God, see? Yes, honey. Oh, yes. See, this just made me happy. It made, I'm gonna tell my guy to wear, oh, and that is a great thing too. You guys, these are unisex. These can be used for men and women. How cool, my guy is gonna wear this today. Absolutely. We're going down by the beach. We're going to head out to Santa Monica after church for brunch. So this is going to be perfect. It immediately, now this is sexy. This is juicy. If a guy walked past me, or a woman, dare I say it, and she or he was wearing this, I would stop. I would say, excuse me, what are you wearing? You know what I mean? It has that kind of appeal. To me, this is my vibe. This is my zhush. Oh, yes. OMG. This is sexy, honey. Let me tell you some of the notes in this one. So this has bergamot, this has mandarin, this has ginger, this has ambergris. It is sexy. I like this one. Now this to me reminds me of everything that I just told you. I just painted the whole picture. The sun has set, honey, and this is sexy. You're just with somebody that you can be completely yourself with. You feel completely confident, sexy, charismatic, everything with. And you guys maybe take a walk along the boardwalk. Nothing too crowded though. This is very laid back, doing the most but not doing the most, but you're definitely doing the most. So if you were with somebody, oh my god, am I saying this? Am I going there? I'm going there. I've already started. I'm going there. Hello, that's where it's taking me. If you were with a guy, a girl, your date, your spouse, your significant other, whoever you are with, okay, and you guys have spent all day together, you had been hugging, you had been cuddling, you had been doing whatever, he maybe sprayed some on, you maybe sprayed some on, and then like at the end of the night you were ending and you may have gone in and grabbed his head, or he grabbed your face. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Okay, but you're grabbing something and you went in for a nice kiss and then you closed the door back, or you got out of the car. I don't know. Maybe he dropped you off. I don't know. Okay, but whoever, somebody got out of the car and then you went up to smell your upper lip. You remember that? Like, this is so bad. That's what this fragrance is giving me. A few fragrances have done this to me before. This happens to be one of them. I'm having my guy wear this today, you guys. I will come back. Thank you for listening to me. This has been so much fun. I had to get in and share these fragrances with you guys. I forgot to tell you, they can all be intermixed. So I did spray this one. Here they are. Let me see. Let me show you. I did spray this one and this one together, and that just took night and day and meshed it together, and it did wart a beautiful, beautiful scent. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give a huge thumbs up. If you want more fragrance videos, leave a huge thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below if there are any fragrances that you like for me to try out, that you recommend, that you like for me to review. Just leave them in the comment section below, you guys. I have so many fragrance videos coming. I'm just trying to get them all out and get them done, but I am having a blast. So I really thank you guys and appreciate you for being here, for listening to me, for interacting, for involving. That's why your comments mean so much. So please do not hesitate to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have these and you've tried them all and you have an opinion about them, let me know. I would love to hear your opinion. Oh my god, I'm gonna smell so good today. People are gonna be like, girl, what are you wearing? Everything. Hello. Anyways, you guys, it's been real. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the comment section below. I appreciate you being here. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.